You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have more Nike Book Ones. These are the Nike Book One in Barely Grape, aka Lilac Bloom. If you're familiar with our channel, you know I like the Nike Book One over here. We've reviewed a handful of them already, so it was a must that we picked these up. As always, we want to give a huge shout out to 1985 Gallery for letting us get an early look at these. But let's go ahead and dive into the details. Starting at the tongue, you do have this nylon tongue tag in a darker purple that has Book's logo on the front. On the opposite side of that, you do have Booker's family crest with the initials of his family members. The rest of the tongue consists of this shaggy suede material in a Barely Grape colorway. The laces are the same color, they're flat, and they also include a darker purple metal aglets at the tips. Additionally, they feature a shaggy suede lace loop, as well as shaggy suede eyelets. As you get towards the vamp and the toe box, it all consists of the same shaggy suede material in that Barely Grape color. On the vamp, you do have a darker purple embroidered swoosh, and then in the toe box, you do have perforated holes for breathability. And for the tip of the toe, you do have an overlay in that same material that also leads into the side of the shoe. Taking us to the middle, the quarter panel, you do have this thicker mesh material, and sitting atop that is a purple satin swoosh with darker purple embroidery going around it. Right above that on the collar, you do have that same material, that purple satin color. And then on the opposite side of that, you do have a darker purple for the sock liner with all this padding for the ankle. Taking us to the back of the shoe, they feature that signature pull tab inspired by book spines in synthetic leather material. In the front, you have 96, which represents Devin Booker's birth year. And then on the back, going down the heel cup, it reads Chapter 1. Underneath that, you have more shaggy suede and more mesh. Taking us to the midsole, you do have this tonal midsole in that same Barely Grape colorway. It consists of two materials, rubber and Cushlon 2. And what you don't see is a full stacked Zoom Air unit within the midsole. Taking us to the outsole, you have a darker lilac color with the herringbone traction, and it reads Air Zoom at the bottom of the heel. For those of you who might not know, the Nike Book One is the debut signature sneaker for Phoenix Suns shooting guard Devin Booker. Over the course of the season, we've seen a handful of subtle colors released, like the Mirage and the Havens. However, the Book One returns this summer with a splash of color in what's being dubbed the Lilac Blooms. If you look really closely at the shaggy suede, there's different hits of purple on there where some parts are darker, some parts are lighter. Looks like it has a slight tie-dye effect or sun bleach effect. And it's just really cool to see them put out brighter colors on the Nike Book One. Booker himself hasn't worn this specific pair just yet, but throughout the course of the season, he did have a couple of PEs in purple, like the B Legendaries or the All-Star Game 2024s. Booker is currently part of Team USA. He's been training in Las Vegas, and what he's been wearing over there is the PJ Tucker PE, as well as his Nike Cortez Forrest Gump PE. A lot of people were speculating that the Nike Book One was done. They weren't going to release any more colors, and they were going to move on to the Book Two. However, I did catch wind that there's a bunch of colorways on the way for the rest of 2024, as well as some more colors coming out in 2025. So make sure you stay tuned. We'll keep you guys updated on that. The Nike Book One in Barely Grape will be releasing at Nike retailers on Thursday, July 18th. If you're in the area, make sure you swing by 1985 Gallery. They do first come, first serve. If you're not in the area and you miss out online and they sell out, you can always click our StockX affiliate link. Any purchase made using that link helps support the channel so we can keep these episodes coming for y'all. We appreciate all the support. As far as comfort, you already know I love this shoe. I have all the colors. I did a 30-day wear test. They're super comfortable. You can definitely feel that stacked Zoom Air unit. I love the padding in the collar. It really forms to your ankle and your foot the more you wear it. I love the padding in the tongue. It just really hugs your foot nicely, securely, and you can definitely feel that Cushlon 2 as well. Now, as far as sizing goes, there's been a lot of debate whether or not to go true to size or a half size up. Me personally, I go a half size up. It fits me best, but I'm strictly wearing these for leisure and style. If you're wearing them for basketball, going up a half size might work for you, or going true to size might work for you. But if you're on the fence about it, I highly suggest stopping by your local Nike retailer and trying on a pair. As far as style goes, I really love the silhouette. It is a basketball shoe, but it also transcends the court to lifestyle. I've been wearing the Book One constantly with just regular fits. These personally, I love this colorway because they're adding a splash of color, making them a little bit more vibrant, a little bit close to that Phoenix Suns colorway, but just a lighter purple. And I'm just glad that they're finally spicing them up a bit, and I'm excited to see what's to come. Probably gonna pick up all the colors, as I am a big fan of Devin Booker and the Nike Book 1. But how do you all feel about the lilac blooms? Are you picking these up? Are you gonna wait for some other colors? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from y'all. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate all the support. But let's go ahead and try these on.
No Oppenheimer burning rubber, then I swap the tires. You got squares in your circle like a waffle line. All these rappers probably liars, leave me not inspired to step up to the plate. 9-8, Mark McGuire. Respect my time, that's all I require. Like I gather church singers, look at all I acquire. I'm a simple man with exquisite taste. Billion about to swoop me up, and we finna win the race. Remove the roof, let the vet ventilate. Let it Wavy dream team on time, but we just a little late. Yeah, my style's gorgeous. Giants fitted looking like some wild orchids. Book 1's off the court, I'm too sporty. We some real super villains, 4 horsemen.
Steez, my style's gorgeous. Got the engine running like some wild horses. Book 1's off the court, I'm too sporty. The movie getting good, no spoilers. Yo, I got a mismatch, coach, call a timeout.
If you enjoyed this review on the Nike Book 1, make sure you check out all our other Book 1 reviews. We have a bunch for you all to watch and enjoy. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button as well so you can be notified every time we drop a new episode. And we'll catch you on the next one.